Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into how to turn off antivirus firewall in 2025. Whether you're troubleshooting software conflicts or need temporary access for a specific program, this guide will walk you through it step by step. But a quick heads up, disabling your firewall can leave your computer vulnerable to threats, so only do this when necessary and remember to turn it back on afterward. Let's get started. First things first, we'll focus on popular antivirus programs like Windows Defender, since it's built into most Windows systems. Open your Start menu and search for Windows Security. Once it opens, click on Firewall and Network Protection. Here, you'll see your active networks. Select the one you're connected to, and look for the option to turn off the firewall. It might say something like Windows Defender Firewall. Just toggle the switch to off. Confirm any prompts that pop up, and you're good to go for now. If you're using a third-party antivirus like Norton or Avast, the process is similar. Launch your antivirus app, navigate to the Settings or Protection tab, and find the Firewall section. Look for a toggle or button to disable it temporarily. For example, in Norton, go to Security, Firewall, and turn it off. On a Mac with built-in firewall via System Preferences, click on Security and Privacy. Then the Firewall tab, and unlock it with your admin password to turn it off. One more thing. In 2025, some antivirus software might have updated interfaces, so if things look a bit different, check for a Help section or search online for your specific version. Always prioritize your safety. Use this method sparingly and consider alternatives like creating exceptions in your firewall settings instead of fully disabling it. There you have it. You've successfully turned off your antivirus firewall. Don't forget to re-enable it as soon as you're done to keep your device protected. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. See you in the next video.